Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday market mostly just completed our target that we have specified around 109 area. This major driver was the, although it's not really typical for the markets, but initial claims. So currently and finally I would say that the job market starts to reflect the background processes that stands in the United States economy. So previously actually Bureau of Statistics in the United States already actually confirmed that they have used some different seasonal adjustments to the job market, which we suggest makes, well, not really correct view on the real numbers. So we already talked about this since probably the February report on the payrolls. We have talked about the seasonal adjustments and we said that they are a bit overvalued. And currently, when they is taken out, you could see the job market starts to come close to reality. So yesterday, initial claims has shown really significant jump. Another reason yesterday, as you know, was the performance of the banking sector once again. So negative news have been released concerning the PacWest Bank, and starts selling the assets to close the gap in expenses, so and negative revaluation of the market assets, so bonds and others, and that has triggered just moderate downside action. Here is demand for the dollar once again. On the daily chart, we see that overall action stands more or less gradual, with the 2-step down, 1-step up. So currently we do not see reasons to suggest that market, well, can't reach the nearest ending target that we already talked about yesterday. Actually, this is our ultimate short-term target, 108.50, which is actually, you can see, confidence support here. Daily oversold, at least for this week. XOP, that's the ABCD pattern that I talked yesterday, but I haven't shown you this on the chart. Right now I plotted here, and you can see that XOP stands 108.43 right there. And this is a kind of the butterfly targets, 127 extension as well. This is not quite correct, as I already talked about this, to plot bullish reversal pattern on top, because this is the butterfly buy actually. But I use it for simplicity to explain the extension and show you the point this market could reach. So here we use it as a potential downside target. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have some different extensions, but mostly they point on the same area. Here is, by the way, guys, market touched 109 target. This ABCD patch, this butterfly extension that we talked about. Take a look. Here is relatively strong acceleration down, so chances on the downward continuation to the next 1618 extension of this smaller butterfly looks not bad. And actually here we have another XOP, it's 108.50 from different ABCD patterns. So you can see that both of these targets stands in the same area as on the daily chart stands the extensions of the daily chart. So a significant cluster of the supports, targets and extensions stands at this level. So meantime, as market just touched the target, we could watch for some minor pullback this session. So on the hourly chart, we could see another butterfly that we talked about yesterday. 109 extension has been completed. Here's some acceleration. Now you could just watch for this ABCD pattern. So if you would like to take the short position, there are two levels to watch for. First one is 109.40, which is actually OP with this minor retracement and agreement with the first level. This is more attractive level. It looks more strong actually. So XOP 109.57, that agrees with the confluence 109.58, 109.65. And also take a look, this is some kind of the previous consolidation is low, so this previous consolidation stands approximately in the same area. So these two levels to watch for. Most easy way to deal with it is just trying to sell some minor part around the OP, usually 30-40% maybe at your position. If market jumps up and completely touch the XOP, add more at the rest at this level, so you will get some average price right there. So it'll be not bad entry with a stop somewhere above this level. It probably should be enough for the short-term performance. If somehow market will show this type of action to the upside, accelerating, breaking and all this stuff, it would be better to not do nothing. So we need this type of action. It confirms the retracement feature. We do not want to get this just explosive action against us. And if this will happen, it would be better to wait. If somehow it will just wash you out, something will happen, I do not know. In this case also it would be better to not re-establish the bearish position if we will be stopped out on this area. This is mostly for the short-term performance. With the continuation of these overall patterns that we have currently, is downward action. If this will not happen, it means that something is happening on a larger scale, not on the hourly chart, but we need to keep an eye on what will happen on the 4-hour time frame chart and maybe even on the daily. So that's why this is only for this session and only for the direction and the patterns that we currently already have in place. This one and actually this one that we have on our chart. So let's keep watching what we have. Hopefully market will complete. I don't know whether we will get euro around 150 right today, just because it's the end of the week. But at least maybe market will start the section to the downside from the predefined levels that we have just discussed.